hug subject covering many different topics ranging from galaxy in space to down to subatomic particle. Because physics is very difficult to understand, so here I share a map for physics. Physics can be broadly broken down into three main parts. 1. Classic physics. 2. Relativity. 3. Quantum physics. First, we will discuss classic physics, and the person who discussed this first was Isaac Newton. 1. The laws of motion that explain how objects can move. 2. The law of universal gravitation is tied together with the motion of the planet in the sky. 3. And the fall of objects on the earth, which has become a common discussion. He also discovered calculus, a very useful mathematical tool for physics. And there is a very close relationship between the two. Newton also discovered the field of optics, namely the plane of light. Explain a little refraction in frames and lens used to focus light in telescope, microscope, and camera. Optics is closely related to theory of electromagnetic wave discovered by James Clerk Maxwell, which is basically how light can travel without a propagation medium. And there is also the wave principle, which is reflection, refraction, and diffraction. Thermodynamic. Thermodynamic, a description of energy and how it passes from another, and this also includes entropy. The theory was discovered by Albert Einstein. Relativity is divided into two, namely 1. Special relativity. Special relativity predicts that the speed of light is constant for all observers. It also states that energy and matter are different aspects of the same thing through the formula. 2. General relativities, who said that space and time are part of the same cloud, is called space-time, and that the force of gravity comes from object bent over space-time. Atomic concept, from a small spark to electron orbit to energy levels, and then me electron into a wave-like charge distribution. 2. Condensation matter physics into quantum physics, of many atoms together in solid and liquid. 3. Nuclear physics explain how atomic nuclei behave and explain radiation, the splitting of atoms used in our nuclear power plants. 4. Probe particle, deeper to find the fundamental subatomic particle, that everything can be explained by physics. Her physics can only explain 5% of this universe. Philosophy, although many physicists make fun of philosophy, here are the big philosophical questions that motivate a lot of physics, such as 1. What are the basic physical properties of reality? 2. Why does the universe exist? 3. Do we have free will if we just make basic? 4. How do we know that the way we do it has a physical element? 5. And why is basic like that? Why?
Created using Powtoon.